Coronavirus cases are spiking across the country and right here in the inland Northwest. 718 people tested positive for COVID-19 in Spokane County in the last day. This is the second highest number of positive cases in one day during the pandemic, and this is not because of a backlog. The Spokane Regional Health District says the high number is because mass testing sites closed over the holiday weekend. People had to wait until Monday to get tested, and we showed you just how long that line was. With more people testing positive, hospitals are worried about what's to come.
The number of people needing help in hospitals has remained steady, but Providence expects it'll increase soon. Eleni Dow gives us a look at where Spokane is and what else is causing hospitals to be concerned.
Today, 78 people with COVID are in Spokane County hospitals. That's an increase from the last few weeks, where an average of 60 people needed care. While this isn't as many as the Delta surge, Providence says it could get worse.
We're all tired of this virus, but it's not tired of us. Dr. Dan Getz feels the pandemic fatigue and sees it walking around Spokane.
Mask wearing in the Spokane area has really gone down. Stores can't enforce it, and this is not the time to walk around unmasked as we see this variant spreading quickly through our state.
While Omicron is not as deadly as Delta, it is even more contagious. And he's concerned because Eastern Washington still has a low vaccination rate compared to the rest of the state. That gives potential for Omicron to spread quickly.
I think any area we have low uptake of vaccine is going to deal with larger degree of hospitalizations.
Getz expects hospitalizations to rise in the coming weeks because of holiday gatherings and Omicron.
I think this is what we worry about being the perfect storm. If we see a high number of hospitalizations with COVID and we see lots of staff members who have to call off due to COVID exposure, developing COVID, you just can't deliver care to everybody.
Getz says North Idaho's hospitalizations can be an indication of what's to come for Spokane. In the last day, Panhandle Health says 19 people went to the hospital for COVID care, from 61 hospitalizations yesterday to 80 today. Hospitals are pleading with people to mask up and get vaccinated so they don't hit Delta surge levels again.
Hospitals on the East Coast are now delaying elective surgeries because of high COVID cases. Providence has continued to increase elective surgeries in the past few months and says it's still too early to tell if they'll have to put more on pause. In studio, Eleni Dow, 4 News Now.
Thank you, Eleni.